Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Bear my reaction today once again. So guys, I hope you all are doing fine and I'm doing good. So guys, today I'm back with another, super amazing reaction. So today I'm going to react on a video which is again a viewer request video. So first of all, let me all tell you the title of the video. Title of the video is Doğa İçin Çal 10. So this is a request from Turkish viewer. Previously I reacted on a video which is Doğa İçin Çal 9. And let me all tell you first of all that this is this is a music series, and just like Coke Studio and everything else. So this is basically play for nature. They sit in an open environment and they record songs with some amazing talented singers. So guys, today I'm going to react on the 10th part of Doğa İçin Çal. So let's listen to this song, and Doğa İçin Çal line was extremely beautiful. Now let's see ये वाला song कैसा है. So let's begin the video. Again, that three, ये three, I think ये लोग का logo है especially. This is very creative. Erdem Simse.
İki keklik bir
She's so absorbed, mouth, yavrum. No, you all can see that they are, in an open environment and they're singing. This is their special.
Ötmede keklik derdim bana yetiyor, aman aman yetiyor. Annesine kara
She's from Ismail. She's from Istanbul.
İki keklik bir dereden su içer. Dertle de keklik dertsizlere dert açar, aman aman dert açar. Dertli de keklik dertsizlere dert açar, aman aman dert açar.
Buna yanık sevda derler, tez geçer.
Yazması
Just look at this location.
boyalı yar benim, aman aman yar benim. Uzun da geceler yar boynuma sar benim,
Muzlamlar
aman
var.
aman sar benim.
İki keklik bir kayada yas
from Iran. Okay.
Tekede bıçak gümüş kında aslanın aman aman aslanın.
Bir gün olur deli de gönül uslanır.
Yazması uyanır, kundurası uyanır yar benim. Aman aman yar benim. Uzun da geceler yar boynuma sar benim. Aman aman sar benim.
Murat Aydın from Istanbul. Lovely. Superb.
Dere geliyor dere yaleler yaleler kumunu sere sere yalelelim. Al beni götür dere yalelel yalelel yarın olduğu yere yalelelim.
Amanın aman aman zamanın zaman zaman bizim düğün ne zaman yalelellim.
Amanın aman aman zamanın zaman zaman bizim düğün ne zaman yalelelim. Ben armudu dişledim yaleler yale.
This was Doga İçin called 10, and I will say, this song was extremely beautiful and lovely. And guys, I will say that, Doga İçin called 9 was also very beautiful, and this Doga İçin call is, also very beautiful, but, I think Doga İçin 9 was, slightly more beautiful than this one. And guys, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो में देखा, there were so many singers, and they were from various cities, from various countries, and they all were singing for this song, and they all together formed a team, and sang this beautiful song Doga İçin called 10. And they were all in beautiful surroundings. Locations were extremely beautiful, extremely scenic. So guys, basically that I told you that this music series is basically for nature. This is play for nature. So guys, we get to see some amazing talented singers from Turkey singing this song. And guys, I will say that Doga İçin called 9 song was extremely beautiful, that really touched my heart. And this song is also very beautiful, but I will, if I have to give 5 stars, then I will give 5 stars to Doga İçin 9, and I'll give 4 stars to Doga İçin called 10. So guys, soon I'll bring reaction on Doga İçin called 11 also, and Doga İçin called 8. So stay tuned and wait for my reactions. I really enjoyed this song, and I will say I'm a hardcore music lover, that I always say. So I really enjoy, giving my reactions on such beautiful songs. Guys, that's about it for today. Now I'll meet you in another exciting reaction video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay happy, keep watching my channel, and if you liked my today's reaction, then give a thumbs up. So that's about it. Take care of yourselves, stay positive, stay healthy. Bye bye.